Hey everybody, this is a summertime dessert. Fresh local peaches. You gotta try it. It's a really quick and easy recipe. Come on, let's try this one. Okay, first thing we're gonna need is 1.5 cups of flour. I gotta tell you, I love this little Pampered Chef thing. Just levels everything off. All right, and we're gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of salt, okay, and 2 tablespoons, if I can get it out of the container, of sugar. So, there we go. Now, I have a stick and 1/4 of butter. I'm gonna cube it up real quick. Okay, I cubed it all up, but before I do that, this is a lemon. I picked this off the tree. So, but if you buy them from the store, which most people do, wash it. This way you can take all the wax off. Wax on, wax off. And just, we're gonna grate a little bit of this onto it. Not a lot. And now we're gonna pulse it. All right, hold on. All right. This way it all gets mixed up. And as take this sucker out, just throw a little bit of butter in at a time. Okay. All right, hold on, I'll keep going. Okay, you can see it kind of looks like wet sand. Now, here's the trick. A little bit of lemon jello as it's going. I mean, 1/2 teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon, just to keep it going. And then you just, I have ice water. Now you're gonna put in a teaspoon at a time until it becomes a dough. Okay, that took about 1.5 teaspoons. And look, I have a nice dough. I always make my pie doughs in the food processor. It's quick, it's easy. So now I'm gonna wrap it up into a disc, put it in the refrigerator for about an hour, and I'll show you what I'm doing next. Okay, while the dough is chilling, I have a 12-ounce jar of peach jam. 'Tis the season, all right? So what I'm gonna do, I still have my lemon. I'm gonna zest, if I can figure this thing out, the lemon, just to give it a little flavor. So that's maybe what? 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. And now I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of the lemon juice. Okay, I like using my fingers. So if any seeds falls out, so that's maybe, again, another 1/2 teaspoon, and I'm gonna put about 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, and then just mix this all around. So it's refreshing, the lemon, the peach, and I have 1 peach, and I sliced it up nice and thin. See, all nice and done. So, all right, let me go get the dough. Okay, I just put the jam in the refrigerator to get it out of the way. So now I'm going to spoon in the jam and smooth it all out. You could probably see it better this way. All right. All right. Okay, it's all evenly spread. Now I'm just gonna get those slices of peaches, and I'm just gonna go around and around and just keep going. And we'll make a pretty design. Okay, this is what I did. Now I have some slivers of almond that I keep in the freezer just for when I'm in the mood to bake something, because if you keep them in the fridge, they will turn rancid. Okay. Little here, little there, wherever. And now sprinkle some regular granulated sugar right on top, you know. And that's it. Bake it for about 35 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn it, all right? And then another 15 minutes. Come on, let's go bake. Wow. All right, this was about 33 minutes, okay? Could probably even do 25 minutes. Now I'm gonna let it cool some more, take it out of this, all right? And then just add some powdered sugar. You gotta try this summer dessert. Your family's gonna love it. See you next time.